Good Sunday evening, everyone. My name is Robert Fry. I'm a lead forecaster here at the National Weather Service, New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I will be completing your weekly weather briefing for this evening, Sunday, April 7th, 2024. So let's get started. First, our situation overview. We're going to take a look at the eclipse weather. Unfortunately, spoiler alert, it's not looking too good right now with generally mostly cloudy skies across the region. Outside of the eclipse, going into to midweek here, Tuesday and into Wednesday, we do have a bit of a severe weather potential we're going to be taking a look at. Also, during that time, we will be having a heavy rain potential as well, so we'll take a look at that in the upcoming slides. And finally, river flooding continues along the Pearl River at Pearl River, and we'll take a look at that as well. So again, the 2024 eclipse, unfortunately, I wish I had better news here, folks, but viewing could be a lot better. But, there could be a few breaks here or there, especially across the eastern tier. So Jackson, Harrison County, you may get a little bit better viewing out that way than, say, further west toward Baton Rouge, New Roads, and Macomb, where there could be some scattered or isolated scattered showers and thunderstorms around during the time of viewing. So if you're able to catch a glimpse, remember the safety concerns here. Never look directly into the sun, folks. Make sure you have the proper eye protection. And best wishes. Hopefully we can get a break and be able to see this eclipse. So now going into Tuesday, our severe weather potential. Generally along and west of the I-55 corridor. So Macomb, Hammond, down to Laplace, and further west. Better potential or highest potential there for Baton Rouge, New Roads area. Isolated to scattered strong to severe thunderstorms possible. Hazards include damaging winds, large hail, and again, we can't really rule out a tornado threat, especially this time of the year. Again, the best potential will be west of the I-55 corridor in terms of timing. It looks like generally late in the day, evening, and overnight, and that we're going to use as a segue into Wednesday, where everyone has a slight risk for strong to severe thunderstorms. Again, this will be area-wide. Hazards include, again, strong damaging wind gusts, hail, and tornadoes again. We'll cover this more in depth as the event nears through early week, so be on the lookout for updates from your National Weather Service here. Generally, again, this will be during the day on Wednesday, but again, timing is a little bit questionable, low confidence in that timing right now. So as time nears, we'll be able to hammer that down specifically. But in the meantime, remember your preparedness and safety actions. Monitor for forecast changes because there will be some. Review your severe weather plans and plan multiple ways of receiving those all important warnings. So with that, with the potential of strong and severe thunderstorms, there is also a potential for excessive rainfall. This specific Tuesday and Tuesday night looks to be across southwest Mississippi, generally our far northwest forecast area here. There's a slight risk, marginal risk, generally west of the I-55 corridor, up to the delineated slight risk there. So again, mostly west of I-55 is the main outlook here for Tuesday. Going into Wednesday, it will probably be a little more very, very close in line with where we're expecting the highest coverage of strong to severe thunderstorms on Wednesday. Again, we'll fine tune that forecast and we'll have updates throughout the start of the new work week. Speaking of flooding, the near Pearl River is still in minor flood. It is forecast to drop. The current stage as of this evening at 6 p.m. was 14.99 feet. The river is forecast to drop below minor flood stage coming up sometime on Tuesday, late Tuesday afternoon or early evening sometime. So, summary of impacts. There's quite a bit to talk about. Again, eclipse viewing will likely be obscured by mostly cloudy skies. Again, the best potential right now looks to be Jackson County and Harrison County, so Biloxi, Gulfport, Van Cleve, Moss Point. You guys may have the best viewing opportunity. Lower odds of actually seeing very much, unfortunately, the further west and northwest you go. Strong to severe thunderstorms will be possible Tuesday and Wednesday. Again, just be ready. I expect further updates from us here locally. And again, some storms may produce heavy rainfall, which could lead to some at least minor flash flooding in those relatively flood-prone areas, poor drainage, urbanized areas as well. And again, the Pearl River still in flood, but is expected to fall below flood stage come Tuesday afternoon or early evening. All right, folks, that's all I have for you today. I hope everyone had a great weekend. I hope your work week starts off great. Again, with weather in the forecast, be sure to check back with us for additional updates on what is to come this week. Have a great week, everybody.